Okay.
You don't have to do that.
He's going to edit it out anyway.
Yeah, he's editing.
Okay, ready?
No.
Okay, so this is physics lesson A2 at Leyton Sixth Form College. We're doing capacitors, and we're looking at the safety concerns surrounding capacitors. Why people should wear their safety glasses when using capacitors.
Yeah.
Okay, so.
This is brilliant.
Okay, we've got a 1,000 microfarad capacitor, 10 volts working, and we're going to beef up the voltage to go faster. Okay, we're at 10 volts now. It's probably fully charged. All right, 15 volts. Okay, it's fighting against it. It's going to go. Hopefully. There we go.
So was her.
Okay.
Yay!
That's why you
I can't find Simon. So
that's alright.